Welcome back, folks. Today, we've got some big legal news to unpack, and it involves none other than Donald Trump and a familiar face from the past, Martin Shkreli, also known as Farmer Bro. But don't worry, we're breaking it down in simple terms, so hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. So, what's the buzz? The Second Circuit Court of Appeals just made a decision that could shake things up for Trump in the civil fraud case brought by the New York Attorney General, Letitia James. But here's the twist. It connects back to Shkreli's case. Let's dive into the details without getting too tangled up in legal jargon. Letitia James took similar legal action against both Shkreli and Trump. Shkreli got a lifetime ban from the pharmaceutical industry in New York and a hefty $60 million fine. Shkreli appealed the decision, arguing that the same law Letitia used against Trump, Executive Law Section 63-2, was the remedy he needed. This took the case to the Second Circuit Court of Appeals, and surprise, surprise, they agreed with the district court, solidifying the statute's validity. Now, why does this matter for Trump? Letitia James wants a lifetime ban on Trump in the New York real estate industry. Mirroring Shkreli's case, the Second Circuit's decision supports the constitutionality of the law Trump strongly opposes. James wasted no time and fired off a letter to the judge overseeing Trump's case, pointing to the Shkreli decision as crucial evidence. This move might not have gotten much attention, so props to Adam Kell for bringing it to light. Now let's draw some parallels between Shkreli and Trump. Remember Shkreli pleading the Fifth Amendment before Congress? Well, Trump pulled a similar move in his civil fraud case. It's like déjà vu, adding an interesting layer to this legal drama. Now let's talk about that letter from Letitia James. It's a strategic move, leveraging the recent Second Circuit decision in Shkreli's case. The letter serves as notice to the judge about the Shkreli precedent and its implications for Trump's situation. It's like a roadmap for the judge, showing how the Shkreli ruling supports James's argument. The Shkreli decision outlined that a court under Executive Law Section 63-12 can issue a permanent ban and impose penalties. By attaching a copy of the Second Circuit decision in Shkreli's case, James provides solid support for what she's seeking in Trump's case. Now, as we eagerly await the judge's ruling, expected at the end of this month, the letter sets the stage for a potentially impactful judgment. The stakes are high, with James seeking a massive $370 million fine against Trump. This legal battle is heating up, and the Shkreli connection adds an extra layer to the precedent. But remember, this isn't just about Trump. The Shkreli ruling sets a precedent for discouragement and industry bans under Executive Law Section 63-12. The court emphasized the serious and repetitive nature of Shkreli's actions, setting a standard that could extend beyond the pharmaceutical industry. Considering the similarities between Shkreli and Trump, both facing financial misconduct allegations and pleading the Fifth Amendment, the Shkreli decision becomes a strategic tool for Letitia James. It's not just about Trump, it's about showing the power of the New York Attorney General's office in tackling white-collar crime. The significant fines and lifetime industry ban in the Shkreli case send a strong message to those involved in financial misconduct. It says the consequences could go beyond just financial penalties. It could fundamentally impact their ability to work in certain industries. This has broader implications for corporate accountability and deterring fraudulent practices. As we await the judge's ruling in the Trump case, the legal chessboard is evolving. Letitia James strategically positioned herself with the backing of a federal appeals court, and the Shkreli ruling becomes a cornerstone for her argument on a broader scale. This decision could inspire state attorneys general to pursue similar remedies against corporate wrongdoers, bolstering the authority of Executive Law Section 63-12 and reinforcing its constitutionality in the eyes of the federal court system. Will other state attorneys general follow Letitia James's lead, using the Shkreli precedent to combat financial misconduct in their jurisdictions? The legal community will be watching closely. As we wrap up this exploration, share your thoughts in the comments. Keep the legal conversation alive, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the legal intricacies shaping our world. Now let's transition to the After Dark segment, where we'll explore the broader impact of the Shkreli ruling on discouragement and permanent industry bans. Don't miss it as we step into the After Dark segment. The Shkreli ruling serves as a guide for the New York Attorney General's office, setting a precedent for discouragement and industry bans under Executive Law Section 63-12. The court's focus on the deliberate, repetitive, and long-running nature of Shkreli's scheme establishes a standard that could apply to cases beyond the pharmaceutical industry. Considering the parallels between Shkreli and Trump, both facing financial misconduct allegations and invoking the Fifth Amendment, the Shkreli decision becomes a strategic tool for Letitia James. It's not just about Trump, it's about legitimizing and empowering the New York Attorney General's office in fighting white-collar crime. The significant fines and a lifetime industry ban in the Shkreli case send a clear message to those involved in financial misconduct. The consequences could go beyond financial penalties, impacting their ability to work in certain industries. This has broader implications for corporate accountability and the deterrence of fraudulent practices. As we eagerly anticipate the judge's ruling in the Trump case, the legal chessboard is evolving. Letitia James has strategically positioned herself, armed with a federal appeals court's backing, and the Shkreli ruling becomes a cornerstone for her argument in the broader legal landscape. This decision could embolden state attorneys general to pursue similar remedies against corporate wrongdoers, amplifying the authority of Executive Law Section 63-12 and reinforcing its constitutionality in the eyes of the federal court system. So, will other state attorneys general follow Letitia James's lead, utilizing the Shkreli precedent to combat financial misconduct in their jurisdictions? The legal community will undoubtedly be watching closely. As we conclude this After Dark exploration, share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep the legal conversation alive. Subscribe for more deep dives into the legal intricacies shaping our world. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay legally empowered. Until next time, good night. Thanks for joining us on this legal journey. If you enjoyed this After Dark segment, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow legal enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Stay tuned for our next deep dive into the fascinating world of law.